In today's fast-paced business world, networking and communication are essential to building and maintaining relationships with clients, prospects, and industry peers. However, manually sending personalized messages to every connection on LinkedIn can be time-consuming and overwhelming. That's where Phantombuster's LinkedIn Message Sender comes in, allowing you to automate your LinkedIn messages and engage with your network at scale. In this blog post, we'll explain how business owners can use Phantombuster's LinkedIn Message Sender to save time and streamline their communication process while still maintaining a personalized touch. We'll cover the benefits of using LinkedIn automation, how to set up the LinkedIn Message Sender, and tips for creating effective and targeted messages. Why use LinkedIn automation? LinkedIn automation has become increasingly popular among business owners, marketers, and sales professionals. By automating your LinkedIn messages, you can save time and energy while still reaching out to your network in a personalized way. Here are some benefits of using LinkedIn automation. Saves time. Manually sending messages to every connection on LinkedIn can take hours. By automating your messages, you can send personalized messages to hundreds of connections in a matter of minutes. Increases efficiency. With the LinkedIn Message Sender, you can set conditions for your messages, such as sending a follow-up message to someone who hasn't responded in a week. This can help you stay on top of your communication and follow up with your connections efficiently. Improves engagement. Personalized messages are more likely to get a response than generic, mass messages. By using placeholders and targeting specific profiles, you can tailor your messages to each recipient, increasing the likelihood of engagement. How to set up the LinkedIn Message Sender? Setting up the LinkedIn Message Sender is easy and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up for Phantombuster. To use the LinkedIn Message Sender, you'll need to sign up for a Phantombuster account. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to all of their automation tools, including the LinkedIn Message Sender. Step 2. Gather your LinkedIn profiles. To use the LinkedIn Message Sender, you'll need a list of LinkedIn profiles to send messages to. You can use Phantombuster's LinkedIn Contacts Export to extract your connections, or use the LinkedIn Search Export to extract specific profiles based on filters. Step 3. Set up your message. You can use placeholder tags to personalize your message for each recipient. For example, you can use hashtag #firstname# or hashtag #location# to include specific details from each profile. You can also set conditions for your messages, such as only sending a follow-up message if there hasn't been any previous communication. Step 4. Launch the Phantom. Once you've set up your message, you can launch the Phantom. The LinkedIn Message Sender will automatically send messages to your connections based on the conditions you've set. Tips for creating effective and targeted messages. While LinkedIn automation can save you time and increase efficiency, it's important to remember that personalized messages are still key to engaging with your network. This shows that you've taken the time to research and understand each recipient. Target specific profiles. Use the filters available on LinkedIn to target specific profiles based on job title, industry, location, or other criteria. This will help you reach the right people with your message. Don't spam. Sending too many messages too quickly can be seen as spammy and can harm your reputation on LinkedIn. To automate safely and efficiently, Phantombuster recommends, to avoid any negative consequences, it's important to use the Phantom at a moderate rate. Phantombuster suggests sending a maximum of 80 messages per day with this Phantom, or 150 if you have a Sales Navigator account, spread out across several launches within working hours. The best results come steadily over time, rather than through spamming. Now that you know how to use the LinkedIn Message Sender, let's dive into a use case example for business owners. Use case: generate new leads and strengthen relationships with existing connections. As a business owner, you're always looking for ways to generate new leads and strengthen relationships with your existing network. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for achieving these goals, but it can be time-consuming to manually reach out to each connection individually. That's where the LinkedIn Message Sender comes in. With this Phantom, you can send personalized messages to your LinkedIn connections automatically. This saves you time and allows you to engage with your network at, for example, hi #firstname#, I hope this message finds you well. I wanted to reach out and see if you have any upcoming projects that my company could assist with. We've worked with companies in your industry before, and I think we could provide some valuable insights and expertise. Step 3. Set your message sending conditions. SIO can set message sending conditions to intentionally follow up or auto-reply. You can choose whether to auto-reply or only follow up by specifying whether the Phantom should only send a message based on who the last message in the thread came from. You can set it to launch repeatedly to generate new conversations every day. Step 5. Follow up after sending out your initial message. It's important to follow up with any connections who respond. This shows that you value their time and are interested in building a relationship with them. By using the LinkedIn message sender, you can save time and engage with your network at scale. This tool is a valuable asset for business owners who want to generate new leads and strengthen relationships with their existing connections on LinkedIn. Remember to use the tool responsibly and avoid spamming to maintain a positive reputation on the platform. Conclusion: the LinkedIn Message Sender tool by Phantombuster is a powerful automation tool that can help you save time and engage with your LinkedIn network at scale. By automating your LinkedIn messages, you can write personalized messages using placeholder tags and set message sending conditions to follow up or auto-reply intentionally. With this tool, you can generate new conversations every day by setting the Phantom to launch repeatedly, all while ensuring that your account stays safe from being flagged as spam. However, it's important to note that LinkedIn only allows messages to be sent to first-degree connections. For second-degree connections and beyond, you'll need to use the Sales Navigator message sender. Overall, the LinkedIn Message Sender is a great tool for any business owner looking to connect with their network on LinkedIn in a more efficient and effective way. By following best practices and avoiding spammy behavior, you can use this tool to build meaningful connections with your network and grow your business.